morning children. In the last video we have read the poem and discussed the new words of the poem. Today we will go to the poem in detail. The poem is about Macavity, the master criminal who can defy the law. In committing crimes, no one is like Macavity. He is matchless in his field. He can disappear, he can break the Newton's law of gravity and float in the air without any support. Want to know more about Macavity? Okay, take your textbook. Let's start the poem Macavity. Macavity, the mystery cat. Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw. Macavity is a mystery cat and is known by the name of hidden paw. He is known as the hidden paw because he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the master criminal, a very well-known criminal who can disobey the law. Defy means disobey. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard. Bafflement means confusion. Confusion of Scotland Yard and Flying Squad. Here Scotland Yard is the headquarters of the London Police Court, and Flying Squad is a group of police ready to move an action quickly whenever there is disobeyal of the police law. But whenever Scotland Yard and Flying Squad, whenever they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. The poet repeats the word Macavity. It suggests that police are searching him everywhere. According to the poet, he is such a cat that he has broken every law as well as the law of gravity. Whenever he did a crime, he can disappear in the air. The law of gravity is not working on him. His powers of levitation. Levitation means the power of rising or floating in the air without any support. Levitation means floating in the air without any support. He has magical powers by which he could float in the air. Fakir means saint. Stare means to look continuously. His power of levitation or floating in the air would stare or surprise any saint. Some saints show the people that they can float or sit in the air without any support. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. So anybody reaches the scene of the crime, he will not be able to find him. Though you may seek him in the basement. Basement means in the ground, or you may look up in the air, or in the air you cannot find him. But I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. So the poet tells again that he is not there. It is useless to search for him. Macavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. The poet introduces him as a ginger cat as the color of Macavity is ginger color and he is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. How can you recognize him? You would know him if you saw him. His eyes are sunken in. Macavity had sunken eyes, make him look like a villain. And his brows are deeply lining as a result of continuous planning of crime. and his head is highly domed. It is dome shaped. His coat is dusty from neglect. Dusty means dirty, neglect, to ignore. Here coat refers to the fur of a cat. His coat is dirty shows that he ignored himself. His whiskers means long hair growing near nose in animals. Whiskers of his cheeks are uncombed. His face is head from side to side with movements like a snake. He keeps swaying or moving his head from side to side, resembles that of a snake. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. When someone would think that he is half asleep, in reality he is awake and in a complete sense. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. According to the poet, no one is like Macavity. For he is a faint in feline shape. Faint and feline. Faint means devil and feline means species or family of cats. He is a devil in cat shape. He is a monster. A monster of depravity. Monster of depravity. Depravity means moral corruption. Morally corrupt. So he is morally corrupt. Inside him there is no moral values. You may meet him in a by street, in a mall. Yes, anybody can see him in the private street or in a square, in a public place. But when a crime is discovered, then Macavity is not there. But after a crime is discovered, he vanishes away and cannot be found. The poet is T.S. Eliot. Okay, we went through this beautiful poem Macavity. I hope all of you have understood the poem. In the next video, we will discuss the question and answers of the poem. Write the new words and their meanings in your notebook. Bye.